Hi, it's Angie, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my innovations design. For my innovation project, I'm going to be using Articulate. My project and research is focused around teacher professional development, especially in the vein of technology integration. I feel like teachers are given a one-size-fits-all model of training when they are introduced to new technology. It usually doesn't apply to their comfort level, their skill level, whether it be high or low, and what they're able to do with technology. In this case, I think a lot of teachers are tuning out and maybe not using some of these things in their classroom because they're either seen as too easy, too hard, not relevant. So I feel like professional development needs to be tailored more towards the teacher. We use personalized and individualized learning for our students. Our teachers deserve the same consideration. This would just be one small part of an overall technology integration professional development plan, which would be both online and face-to-face. This right here is going to focus on technology communication, ways teachers can enhance the communication with students and parents in their classroom using technology. I'm basing my entire idea about these lessons from the old Choose Your Own Adventure books. I don't know if you guys remember these or read them, but in these books, you were allowed to choose your own adventure. And I want teachers to feel like they have some choice in the adventure of professional development. So as I'm scrolling here, I'm just going to show you one small example. So here you're usually reading something in these books, and then down at the bottom it tells you, okay, if you want to do one thing, go to page 6. If you want to do another, go to page 4. Well, I want teachers to have the same opportunity when they're doing professional development. So this would be an example of the first slide. I'm going to have a person, a little avatar here, explaining things. And here's the example.
Communication is a key component to a successful classroom, and current technology makes this easier than ever. From simple message services that send text and emails, to blogs, to full-blown websites, you have the ability to create a first-rate communication system. Depending on your time constraints and comfort level, you'll want to choose the method that's just right for you. A system that sends out emails and texts like Remind.com is a great way to get started, or it could be a great addition to a current website or blog. If you're looking for something more involved, creating a class website or blog will allow you to not only communicate with your students and parents, but to give detailed information about events, assignments, and where to find extra help. Click on the service you want to learn more about, and let's start making your classroom communication something everyone is talking about.
So from here, the teacher would choose text and email alerts, blog, or website. And then from there, they would be taken to one of these slides to get a little bit more information about Blogger, Remind.com, or Weebly, which is the services I'm going to be using. So for example, here on the Blogger page, there would be more explanation about exactly what Blogger is, how to use it, and this would be both verbal and written. And then down at the bottom, the teacher would have the ability to either continue their adventure or go back the way they came. To go back the way they came, that would send them back to the welcome slide. So maybe they want to choose a website or do Remind.com instead. Throughout the entire lesson, they will always have the opportunity to go back the way they came, to change their mind, and to use the service they feel that is going to fit them the best. So as they go through this tutorial, it will take them along in different scenes, and there'll be a different scene for each type of service, for Blogger, for Remind.com, and for Weebly. And there will be videos, step-by-step instructions, and ways for them to set up any of these services. I'm actually also considering including or either replacing Blogger with social media. That might be more relevant. But this is what I'm thinking through right now for my innovation project. Any feedback or comments are welcome. Thanks.